Hi, I'm Logan, and I'm going to give you a quick product tour of Datalogz. So at Datalogz, we solve the problem of business intelligence sprawl and analytics sprawl. As you get more and more users creating different dashboards, reports, insights, and tools like Power BI, Tableau, Looker, a handful of these reports are great, but a lot of them have compliance risks, duplication, some are built on bad data, some are never used. This leads to a lot of wasted cost that's growing exponentially, plus security and compliance risk in your environment that are currently going completely untracked. At Datalogz, we solve this instantly by plugging into your Power BI environment. Now, let me show you how this works. So once you log into Datalogz and create an account, you can quickly establish a connector. To do this, you just walk through, we integrate directly with Power BI, we touch every single endpoint that exists in your Power BI environment, and we load this into a relational database, either in Postgres or Snowflake. We can host as a SaaS application or deploy fully within your environment. You can select which workspaces and shared groups you want to bring in Datalogz and name and establish your connector. Once you do this, we'll run a job that brings in all the endpoints to that relational database and generates you a real-time recommendation engine for your environment that identifies where there's potential duplicate data sets, stale data sets in your environment. This one hasn't refreshed. What if the CEO is viewing that data set to make a decision today and your team has no visibility into it? So that's currently going to be a very reactive decision that you won't be alerted of until there's a problem. We also identify items like failed refreshes in your environment, what's going unused. So if you have unused reports data sets, these can be online, wasting costs with your environment. And this is just our Datalogz sample environment with only about 30 Power BI reports, and we identified 93 different real-time issues. Now imagine at scale, if your company has 1,000 or 10,000 reports, how much money you're wasting and how many compliance risks could be in this environment. Every time someone takes a CSV and appends it into Power BI, it could contain personal PII that's not being tracked. We also make it very easy to understand the activity metrics and what's going on in your environment. So you can dive into activities by user. These are available via the Power BI endpoint, and we enhance them with additional algorithms within Datalogz. So you can see details around what's going out in your environment at the dashboard level, data set level, or even report level. These are all exportable, so you can build your own custom reports on top of it. Thank you for taking a tour of Datalogz, and we'd love to show you a more detailed demo.